welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a video on how I do my eyebrows. Many people have been asking me to do this video. It's been so requested to do a video on how I do my brows. So I am teaching you guys my little tips and tricks on how I do my brows. Okay, so it's fairly easy. Just follow my steps, okay? But before I move forward with the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, alright guys? And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so these are my brows with absolutely nothing on them. I mean, you can see, they're not the prettiest. They really aren't. I have like bald spots. Sorry, I was picking at my face earlier. Yeah. I am going to start off by actually tweezing my brows. I'm gonna use my tweezers. I'm gonna go in and just start getting every little hair that I see that's out of place. Ow, that hurt. And this shape that I have now, I've had it for a very, very, very long time. I went to go get my eyebrows waxed, and ever since then I just kept the same shape the lady gave me. And after I get pretty much all the hair that I think I can get, I just go over my brows with this little razor right here. This is what I use. You can just buy it at the drugstore, anywhere honestly. And I just kind of go over it again just to make sure I didn't miss any little hairs or anything like that. And I'm gonna go in with my little scissors right here and just kind of go like that to my hair right here and just kind of cut it right there. Now I'm gonna go in with my Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this thing. I love this stuff. I haven't changed it. I've tried other products and I'm just not a fan of them, so I just keep coming back to this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of that out. And I am going to start by making a line. Let me see if I can zoom you in just a little bit. I like to start down here and make a line right here. And after I've made that line, I'm going to keep going with that line down here. And just do that. And I'm going to go up top. Okay, so we have that shape there. So now I'm going to start going like this, kind of like hair-like motions, like that. And then right here going down. Now that we have this right here, I am going to go upwards right here in this area right here with my little pencil. So now that I have that, don't be scared. I know they're really dark. I'm gonna grab this end and I'm going to start blending that out. I'm gonna go upwards and then gonna go to the side like that. Now that we have this, I am going to go in with my concealer. I am going to use my Shape Tape concealer by Tarte, and I am going to outline my brow. That way it looks a lot more sharp. Now I'm going to grab this brush that I have right here by Morphe. It is a definer brush, and this one is the M432, I believe. The numbers are like gone. So I'm going to grab some of my concealer like that, and I'm just going to go and underline my brow right here. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now, if you want more of a natural brow that day, if you're gonna do like a really simple makeup and just you're in a hurry or whatever, this is what I would do right here. I would just underline it right here, and that's it. That's all I would do. But since this is not the case and I want to go all out with my brows, I'm going to do the top as well. I start turning going downwards. Just kind of let go, like that. And then I'm just going to kind of cut this just a tiny bit. I'm not gonna make them super square. This is what we have so far, and this is how I do my brows. And I am going to go in with my Ready Set Brow by Benefit. It's a brow gel. And I'm gonna go in with it, and I'm just going to go up like that, right here, the front, and then start going this way. And that is how I do my brow. And I'll be right back and I'll have this one done. Alright guys, so I have my brows all done. As you can see, it is pretty easy. I mean, in my opinion, I've been doing it for a long time also. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys liked this how to do my eyebrows. I enjoyed doing it, and I enjoyed giving you guys some of my tips. It's really easy to go really dark with your brows, like overdo it sometimes. And even though this is a soft brown, it still looks really good, in my opinion, with my hair color. So yeah, you can make anything work pretty much. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right here. Please don't forget. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye guys.